Hello my dear children, this is the 14th module of Unit 3. In this module, we are going to discuss about how to use the where clause along with the select command. Where clause is used to select specific rows or records. It allows to select only desired rows by applying conditions. We can use all the comparison or relational operators such as less than, greater than, equal, less than equal, equal and not equal. My dear children, please be careful to give equals and not equals. Not equals is nothing but two angle brackets. Where clause can also be used with the logical operators. The logical operators in any programming language is and or not. The and will only result true if both the conditions or all the conditions given become true. The or will result true if any of the condition become true. The not give true only when the condition become false. That is the toggling operator, or it is termed in SQL as complementary operator. Complementary operator. Not is a complementary operator. Look at the first example. Select star from employee. So select all the details from employee where salary greater than 4,000. So how the query will be executed? The compiler first goes for the employee table, then it finds the column name called salary. Within the column, if any value which is greater than 4,000 will be fetched and displayed to the output. All the details of that particular record. Look at the next one. Select star from employee where employee number equal to 1. The similar way only the compiler executes. It goes for the table, then to the column name, that is employee number, then it finds the value of 1 and it fetches the record of employee 1. Look at the next one. Select name comma department from employee where department equal to HR. The compiler goes to the employee table, then goes to the department column. Within that, it choose the records which is having HR as department. Then it will display the name and the department. It will display only the name and the department. Coming to the next. Where clause with the logical operators. Here we discussed how the where clause can be used along with the comparison operators or relational operators with the digits and characters. Here we are going to discuss about the where clause with the logical operators. The and means both the condition must be true. Or means any condition must be true to produce the output. Not will do the reverse checking. That is, not is always known as complementary or toggling. Look at the first example. Select a star from employee where salary greater than 4,000 and salary greater than 8,000. Sorry, lesser than 8,000. Here we are checking a range. The employees who are all getting the salary greater than 4,000 and lesser than 8,000. So it will start searching from what? 3,909 till 7,909. Both the values are excluded. That is 4,000 and 8,000 will be excluded. If you want to include 4,000 and 8,000, we have to give like what? Where salary greater than or equal to 4,000 and salary lesser than or equal to 8,000. So both the values will be inclusive in the range. Look at the next example. Where department is sales and salary is 30,000. Here we are giving 2 columns for checking. So the compiler needs to check department must be sales and whose salary must be 30,000. Then only it will fetch the record. Otherwise it will omit. Both the condition become true. Both the conditions become true because we had used and only. Then look at the next example. Department must be HR and salary must be greater than 20,000 and lesser than or equal to 40,000. Here all the condition become true. That means must be true, then only we will get any output. Department must be HR, the salary within the range of 19,999 and 39,999. Then only we will get the specified or the desired output. Then how to use OR? Where department is HR, either the employee is in HR or in the employee in IT. So the employees either in HR or in IT or in both will be displayed. That is, the employee is working in HR or the employee is working in IT or both will be displayed into the output. Then were not EMPNO, that is not EMPNO. EMPNO must not be the value having 4. So the compiler will omit the value for 4, that is employee who is having the 4 as his identification number will be omitted. The rest will be taken. It omit the record of employee number 4. As we studied the comparison operators and logical operators so far, here we are going to study about new or some special operators in SQL that are between, in, like and is null. What is the use of a between? It is very similar to less than, equals and greater than equals using an AND condition. Between allows to specify range of values. My dear children, range of values to search in any column. It is used with the AND clause and it will include the specified values during the searching. Between 80,000, look at the example, between 18,000 and 30,000. That means the compiler will include both 18,000 and 30,000 within the range. Then the next one, between the employee number between 2 and 5, that is 2, 3, 4, 5. It will include both 2 and 5 for the searching. Then look at the not given along with between. This syntax is called complementation of between and clause. Select star from employee where salary not between 30,000 and 35,000. Sorry, 25,000 and 35,000. That means it will result only the records of the employee whose salary is not between 25,000 and 35,000. Both the values are inclusive only. Coming to the next, in clause. In allows to specify list of values. Between and specify range of values, whereas in specifies list of values in which searching will be performed. It will return all those records that matches any value in a given list of values. It can be thought as an alternative of multiple OR. So look at the first example where department in sales IT. So the compiler will choose the records, those who are all in sales or in IT. Then the next one, select the name from employee where the employee number. Select a name. Here we are selecting only the name of the employee where employee number in. So those the employees who are all having the employee number as 2, 4, 5. So 2, 4, 5 is a given list. The compiler will search only those lists 2, 4, 5 only, and it will retrieve the name. We can complement the in using not in sales and IT. So the compiler deliberately avoids or doesn't choose the employee records, those who are working in sales and IT. Coming to the like clause. Like clause allowed to search based on a pattern. Pattern is nothing but a group of characters. It is used when we don't want to search an exact value, or we don't know the exact value and we know only the pattern of a value, like name starting from any particular letter or ending with or containing any particular letter or a word. So this is very helpful to find address, names, city, like that. We had only knowing about the pattern within a value. Like is used with the two wildcard characters, that are percentage and underscore. The percentage is used when we want to substitute multiple characters. With the percentage, length is not fixed. That is, we can give, or the compiler will check for any length. The underscore used when we want to substitute a single character. The underscore indicates only single character, not the exact character. Character may be any of the character, but it will indicate only one character. Look at the various examples. Search for employee whose name begins with a S. So how the clause is given? Where, column name, like, pattern. This is the syntax. Where, column name, like, pattern. So here begins with the S. So S percentage. After S, it may be anything. Then ends with the R. So percentage R is used. Percentage R. And search for employee whose name contains A anywhere. It may be at the first, or at the middle, or at the end, or it may be twice. So look at the syntax. Like, percentage A percentage. So A may be in anywhere of the value. Then if you want to search an employee whose date of birth is in February. So February date we will use in the date of birth. In the middle we will give only 02, right? So select a star from employee where date of birth like percentage underscore 02 underscore. Underscore 02 underscore is the month. So before underscore 02 any year may come, and after 02 underscore any date may come. So we will get the employees whose date of birth is in February. Look at the last example. Search for an employee whose name has 5 letters begins from S. So it has to be begin from S. Only the name should have only 5 characters including S. So we have to give like S, then 4 underscores. That 4 underscore indicates 4 characters. This is the last operator, that is null. It is used to compare null values present in any of the column. Because null is not considered as a value, so we cannot compare with the equal sign. So to compare is with null, SQL provides isNull keyword. Look at the column where salary is null. IsNull is the keyword used for checking where the salary value become null or not. IsNotNull is the complementation of isNull clause. Like also we can complement by putting not in between the column name and the like. So we can give like select a star from employee where name not like. If we want to give complementation for like clause. So So is null can be complemented with is not null. So it will retrieve the values which are not having any null values. My dear children, for any of the operation, for any of the query execution, the compiler follows the operator precedence as you studied in max, that is board mass, bracket of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. That is the precedence of operator we need to follow while we are operating any equation. Here we are dealing with the queries. So queries, the compiler will also follow operator precedence for execution. When multiple operators are used in an expression, then the evaluation of expression takes place in the order of the precedence. The higher precedence order will be executed first. Which are all the operators having the higher precedence will be executed at first. So here is the table which is given the precedence. The first precedence is given for not. Then for multiplication, division and the percentage, that is remainder. Then plus and minus, then less than, greater than, then equals, lesser than, greater than, equals, then not equal, is like in between. Then only the compiler goes for not and or. So according to these precedents only, the compiler will operate any of the expression given in the SQL query. My dear children, I think you are all clear about how the word clause can be used within select command. Thank you.